Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pappu in an instant pot. Start by rinsing 1 cup of tur dal until the water runs clear. This step is crucial for a clean taste. Next, prepare your aromatics. Chop 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. These fresh ingredients will form the flavorful base of your pappu. Don't forget your spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to your preference. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your rinsed dal, all the chopped vegetables, and your chosen spices directly into the instant pot. Add 3 cups of water to ensure the dal cooks perfectly. Secure the lid, set the instant pot to pressure, cook on high for 10 minutes, and let it work its magic. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for 5 minutes, then quick release any remaining pressure. The tadka is where the magic happens. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and a few fresh curry leaves. Finally, sauté 1 dried red chili and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they become wonderfully fragrant, infusing the oil with their rich aroma. Gently pour your aromatic tadka over the cooked dal in the instant pot. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all those incredible flavors are perfectly blended. A sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro adds a vibrant finish. Your delicious instant pot pappu is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with steamed rice or warm roti for a comforting and wholesome meal that's sure to please.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.